I know some of you have been working all day putting up your Christmas decorations and lights because it was the first warm day in, I don't know, 7 months or something. So I understand you're tired, but ladies and gentlemen, who came here to party tonight? We want everybody from the front to the back, to the side, unless you have a note from your doctor, to stand your asses up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, 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 up. Shit, even Santa's standing up. Yeah. He said he's got a big sack this Christmas. Yeah, he does. All right, now that you stood up, we want you to move forward 5 to 25 steps forward. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this song may or may not be about having sexual relations. I think there's a 95% chance it is about having sexual relations or being arrested, one of the two. Which one is it? This is called Fur Covered Head.